seem to mind the rough water. That's it, then we'll call it the mullet.
You're right, it looks just like a mullet. Just change the color.
Look, damn it. Alright. Aha.
You gotta let it catch some water first. We have a guy up north. He's designed some holes because they're always saying that boats with chambers in them that we're going to run offshore, right? So he designed the hull, designed the top of the hull itself right. There's no water chamber, nothing. It's outside.
Pretty slick.
Runs pretty good.
Because the way they wrote the rules,